Okay, guys, so it's been a long time since I posted. Um, I was in vacation, but yeah. Before I used to have the Bulbasaur. I did a coin flip, 1010, 130, 130. I sold it for 110. I lost, but I still made $5 from last time. Then uh, I, I in the card show I had picked up this card. It used to be worth 170, but now it's worth 168. So I bought it for 160. So I don't know if that's a good deal. And this card today I went to pick it up. It's $50. I bought it for 40. So I don't know if these are good good pieces to buy. We will see. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. Um, Also, I was in a car crash today. I was I was actually going to pick up this card, but when I was with the bike driving, a car came like that, and I was on the car. Um, like I was on the car. Like I don't know how to say. I was in the hood of the car, and my bike was on the ground, and it went till the middle of the road. It took like at least 3 seconds before she stopped. So that was something. My parents were super mad, but yeah. So right now I got these two slabs. This one I think it's worse than the Bulbasaur because the Bulbasaur had gone up, and this one is a pop 50,000, but other one was pop 25,000. So, but this one is still Charizard, so you know what I mean. And this one it's 20,000. I'm gonna tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. In 2 days, I'm getting paid since last time, so I'm hopefully gonna go on the card show the 16 and pick up other stuff or buy from marketplace. So yeah, but yeah. So I, the Bulbasaur I sold it for 110. Uh, if I would have sold it for 130, it would have been more than percentage to trade. I could have traded it, but I was dumb. So yeah. Um. So now, hopefully, we're gonna wait see if they go up in value a little, because it's actually a good card. Mm, yeah, it's pretty, but it's a PSA 9, so it's worth 50. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. School is starting soon, and I hate that, but I don't care. And it was actually crazy when I got hit by the car. Like I was just passing by and the car hit me like that. At least I'm alive. I'm not really hurt anywhere. I'm just my left knee is a little bit injured, but it hurts a little, but it's fine. If not, I have like $30 left. I have 20 in cash and like $10 in my bank account. So yeah, uh, but yeah, but every Pokemon card is gonna go up unless if the Pokemon crashes. But we already know that if it crashes, it's gonna be a long time because right now it's still growing, so it's not gonna crash out of nowhere. But yeah, like this one is actually a beautiful card. Like even if it's in Japanese, I wouldn't pay 160. I would have paid more, but it's worth like 160. So yeah. Uh, so I don't know what to buy next. I'm always looking on Marketplace for some stuff, looking around if they have something good. So that's about it. Uh, yeah, that's it. Thank you.